This is my channel, Jai Prakash Psychic Readings. This is my new channel, my new title. This title will be Should I Quit My Job? So basically what I do is to divide the cards by 4, A, B, C, D, and you must be responsible for any cards that you pick. Saya membagi tumpukan kartu menjadi 4 bagian. Bagian A, bagian B, bagian C, bagian D. 4 bagian ini Anda pilih salah satu yang menurut Anda menarik buat Anda. Okay, for those of you who picks A, should you quit your job? The answer would be you want this job, and also you don't want this job. Like you want and you don't want, and you want to leave, you want to stay. So you have like two thoughts, two different thoughts all in one. And basically you have you're raising a family. You have a son. You probably have a son or a daughter. Which you have feeling complete. You're feeling complete with your family. You're feeling complete with your son. In this case, your wife is much reserved. Okay, she would rather not speak about anything about your job, anything about job. She knows much about raising family. That's far as she's concerned, and she loves you. Okay, basically you are raising a family. You have a son. And then you have two thoughts about leaving or staying your job. Should you quit your job? The answer would be, I would say, just delay, just not yet. This is not the time for you yet, but there will be time for you to make a decision. Okay, for those of you who are on B. Okay, should you quit your job? Yes. The answer would be yes. You have to quit your job and then find another one out there that might offer you a better job. But the time is not yet for you. Yes, you should quit your job, but the time is not yet. There will be a good time for you to quit. Really, just leave. You just leave your job for good. At the moment, you need to take a rest. At the moment. You need to take a rest for a moment, not to make any decision unless it is based on when you will leave. There will be a good time for you to leave for good, and that will be for good. But this time, for now and for the time being, you must rest. Let's not make any decision for your job. And you're working in some kind of like organization dealing with law, justice, or offices with government offices maybe. Okay. Should you quit your job? Yes, but not yet. You have to rest. Okay, for those of you who are on C, should you quit your job? No. Okay, you're happy with your job now. Apparently you probably have like female supervisors, female boss, female who is higher rank than you. She cares about you. She's looking at you like you're the completion of her job. She's offering you something else. She's offering, and she knows that you are also wanting something from her, something else from this job. And so she wants to be equal with you. She wants to be like 50-50 on 50. She has 50, you have 50. She wants to work with you equally. She wants to get something from you equally, as well as you want to get something from her equally. Should you quit your job? No. This is a good job for you. And you want to stick with this job until she makes a decision for you, not you make a decision for yourself. Okay, for those who are on B, should you quit your job? Eventually you will. Eventually, you are in the process of living at the moment. You are in the process of living. You may not like this job right now, and you are in the process of living as we speak. So should you quit your job? You're leaving. Okay. So you're leaving. You are going away. You're going away for a better job. Are you coming back? No, you're not coming back. You are leaving. You are searching. You're going away. I'm feeling like you're having some financial crisis. What makes you leave is your financial situation. You're lacking of money. You're lacking of incomes. This is why you're leaving. Okay, but you would rather not speak about it. You just leave. Okay, that's all. Okay. If you like the video, please like the video. If you want to subscribe, please subscribe. This is my new channel, Jai Prakash, Psychic Readings. Thank you so much.